Welcome back. So whether you're pinning some hair back or maybe using it as a way to tie up your top knot, hair accessories are stealing the limelight. Posh KC hairstylist Alyssa Gerber is here to show us how to use these for sophisticated style. So when I'm taking a look at these cute little scrunchies and these ties, you know what? They are not the same as the clips that we used as children.
No, they are not. Usually they were bright colored. You're seeing more like muted colors and different patterns along with that, and it's not butterfly clips anymore.
And you know what? It looks like it would be perfect for the beach or maybe that summertime feel, so that's going to be amazing. I'm looking at some pictures. You actually did these styles?
Yes, I was practicing some ideas, and I was just practicing them on my boss earlier this week.
Oh, well, it looks wonderful. Okay, so you also have some tips for styling, and you've been busy at work, so we've got these beautiful models here, but let's flip them around so we can see the back of their hair. That looks amazing.
So this is Christina. On her, we started with 2 braids on the sides. We did outverted braids or inverted braids. Dutch braids is another word. And then I took a hair tie and tied them right here in the center, wrapped some hair around it. To make this braid right here, I split the hair in 2 and just did an infinity shape around, continuing with extra hair until she was down at the bottom, and I hair tied it right there.
Okay, I feel like one of those coyotes right now because my jaw's on the floor. That looks amazing. But we want to stay on trend for 2019. So what are some of the actual accessories we can use?
Yes. So adding in a cute scarf will add a good pop of color if you're wearing a good solid color. This one's a little lemon to make it brighter. And you just tie it in right there on the ends.
Well, you know what? The tying of it looks very simple. Of course, the braid very sophisticated, but it's so nice to add that pop of color and just do something different.
It is super fun. And then there you go.
Okay, now if you want to move over to Amanda, I see that it looks like she's partially done. Do you have any tips as far as styling?
So a good thing to get started to go fast is just twisting. And with her hair, I just take it and you just take 2 sections and you just twist it through. And that's what I did on the top 2 sections. And that's what I'm going to continue doing throughout until we get a ponytail. And you just bring it in.
That looks so amazing. You're making it look so simple, but of course, I know if I tried to do it, I would wind up looking sort of like a scarecrow. But you know what are some of your favorite accessories and trends right now?
I am loving scarves and scrunchies. And you can add those on at Posh for a $10 upcharge to get one as well. I'm also really loving the hat, as you can see.
Yeah, well, it kind of just sets you apart, right? When you walk in a room with a hat, it kind of makes you stand up a little bit straighter. And I feel like these could do the same thing.
Oh, definitely, yes. I agree.
And then do you recommend both of our models, it kind of seems like are more in those monotone colors or black? I'm not sure if it's just like a stylist thing, or would you actually recommend if you're wearing that bright hair accessory to keep it kind of simple?
So what I like to do is just keep everything simple and then add the pop of color. With Amanda's style today would be great with just a white t-shirt and a pair of jeans.
The other thing I'm amazed by how fast you're working right now. So are you kind of just continually braiding and then going back into a ponytail? Yep,
so you just twisted it on back and then I'm just gonna put it all in a ponytail right here with actually this light pink scrunchie.
Well, that's beautiful, and I love that it's something that you can rock from the childhood days, so you sort of get that nostalgia, but it has such a sophisticated look.
I love it. So next I'm going to take this, twist it, and just make another pony right here.
Do you think that I could turn her for the camera so we can see it just a little bit better? That's amazing. And you did that in just a couple minutes, so thank you so much, Amanda, Tina, and Alyssa. We've got some beeping going on in the studio we got to take care of. We're going to toss that over to you, Bill.